Hi everyone. The next concept is packages. So what is a package? A package is nothing a group of a similar types of classes, interfaces and sub packages. Okay. So till now what you know is nothing but a class. So what is a class? Basically class is a collection of data members and member functions. Our class is a collection of objects of similar type. Okay. That means a class is nothing but a group. In the same way, package is also a group which consisting set of classes, interfaces and sub packages. Okay, so in the package, so set of classes, interfaces and sub packages are present. So in Java, package can be categorized in two forms. One is built-in packages and user-defined packages. Okay, so there are many built-in packages such as Java, language, AWT, Abstract Window Toolkit, Java X, Swings, Net, IO, Util, SQL. All are nothing but sub packages in Java. See the diagram? Okay, so Java is a package. In that we have a language, util, AWT sub packages. In that we have a set of classes. Like that, so many packages, so many classes available predefinedly. Okay, so we know, we will learn the functionality of individual packages whenever the need is required. Okay, so when comes to the advantages of Java package, so Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces. Okay, so what is the need of categorizing the classes and interfaces? Means to reduce the complexity of understanding of program. Okay, or maybe application. Okay, if till now we work with one class, two classes or max three classes. Okay, if in your application you have more than 100 classes or more than 1000 classes, that of course that is possible. Okay, depending on the requirements of a customer, so you need to develop an application and it sometimes requires a more number of classes. Okay, so creating more classes, without maintaining or managing or categorizing, it is a very complex to understand. So that's why, so these packages are used to categorize the classes. If so interfaces, till now we didn't cover. Next in next videos we will see. Okay, so packages consisting classes as well as interfaces. So if more exist, for the understandability and to reduce the complexity of understandability, so we will go with the packages. Simply a package is nothing but a collection of group of classes, interfaces and sub packages. That means so if 100 classes means for 10 classes we go with the one package, like that. Okay, so Java package provides access protection. So we already learn about access specifiers, right? Okay, so if it is a data member or method, it will present in the class. Okay, so like that, so many classes are there. We will we will keep those classes into the packages. So if you want to access the members of a class, we need access specifiers, right? A public means anyone can access, like that. Private means no one can access. In the same way, if you place classes in the packages, there is obviously access protection is available. Okay, and the next one, Java package removes a naming collision. In C also you will hear this word. Naming collision means if both having the same name. If you want to create a classes with the similar names, so within the same location, if you have those two classes, so it is a naming collision problem. So means accessing of classes or maybe creating also difficult. Further, so if you create one class with the same name in one package and with another class with the same name in another package, okay, like that you can remove the naming collisions. Okay, so these are the predefined, we already saw this. Okay, so now in this particular video we are trying to learn about user defined packages. Okay, so predefined we already have, and whenever the requirement is there, then we will discuss what is language, util and AWT. Now the concept is user defined packages creation. Okay, so to create a class we need a class keyword. Okay, to extend the class we need extend keyword. So to restrict the inheritance we need a final keyword, like that. So how we have a keywords, and those are the keywords are there. 53 keywords available. In that one of the keyword is a package. A package keyword is used to create packages in Java. So create user defined packages. Okay, note down that one. So a package is a keyword which is used to create a user defined package in Java. Okay, see the example. Okay, so you just save this entire file with the simple.java. Okay, package is a keyword for creating a package, my pack. Okay, the name of the my package is this package is nothing but a my pack. So in front you have to place the package keyword. Okay, in that package we are trying to create a class simple. So in that we have a compulsory method, main method, and there we are trying to print a message, welcome to package. Okay, so concentration on here. Here the name of the file is simple.java. Why? Because the name of the class is simple. Okay, in that after opening the file you are creating a package name. Okay, that is the syntax actually. There we can provide one class. In this example we are providing one class. If you want, this class is actually present in the my pack package. Okay, so how to compile how to compile a Java, how to compile a program, how to run a program, we already know. Java C compiler, program name dot Java for compilation, Java space program name without any extension, then that is nothing but running of a program. Okay, how we can compile and run a Java program, like that we can also compile and run a Java package. Okay, so if you are not using any IDE, remember this. Okay, these commands are only applicable to command prompt only. If it is any IDE like a NetBeans or Eclipse, you don't go for giving command, just you click on a button, run button, then it will execute the program. Okay, so in case of you are not using any IDE, integrated development environment, for C language you have a Turbo C, right? Here for Java we have different IDEs, Eclipse, NetBeans, Notepad, Notepad++, those are nothing but command, you executed with a command prompt. Okay, so if you are not using any IDE, then you can go with this syntax command in the command prompt. Okay, so Java C compiler minus D is actually called as switch. Okay, so minus D switch, so space Java C space minus D space directory space Java file name. Okay, so go with an example, Java C space minus D space dot space simple dot Java. Okay, so what the command means, Java C means Java compiler. We are instructing the Java compiler to execute the current package or file. Okay, and the next one minus D is nothing but a switcher which specifies the destination where to put the generated class file. Minus D represents so if you compile this program simple.java, it obviously generate the class file, right? So in the first class video, so we learn about what is the execution process of a Java. Okay, while after compiling we will get a class file. So here what minus D means, it represents the destination. If you compile this program, it will generate a class file. Okay, so if you want place that class file in a specific directory, okay, so then you can go with the minus D represents the destination. So just put the class file of this program into a specific directory. Okay, if you want to keep this class file in the same directory where the source code is available, okay, so just listen carefully. If you want to keep the class file in the same directory where you have this source file, okay, then you can directly use the dot here. Okay, so you can use, if you want to keep the package within the same directory, you can use dot. Okay, so by compiling this Java file, you may get class file. If you want to place that class file in some other location, then you have to specify the directory. Otherwise you can directly specify dot to keep the class file in the same location where the source file exists. Okay, this is the way you can compile the Java package. Okay, and how to run a Java package. Okay, so this is the way you can compile, and to run, this is the way. So Java compiler for compiling program. Okay, simply compilation of a Java program or package are similar. Okay, so except this minus D. Okay, so minus D means to make the class file for the destination. If you don't want to go for any destination, just keep the dot, that's all, minus D. Okay, so this is minus D and this dot is added extra with the normal program execution and package execution. And when comes to the running, Java interpreter, okay, you just recall how we can execute the normal source program without packages, compilation and running. Okay, then you will understand what I am telling. So Java interpreter, Java C compiler, Java is an interpreter. mypack.simple, mypack, see here, package mypack, in my pack I have a simple class, right? So the entire source code is there in the simple.java. This is a file name, this is a package name, this is the class name. Okay, so to run I am using Java interpreter space mypack.simple, which means along with a package name I am using the class name also. Okay, so then it will print the welcome to package. Hope you understand. So similar execution process. So Java C Java, but the extra command is minus D dot. So to make the class file to move the class file into a new directory or in the same directory, that differentiate. And here for normal program compilation without a package, we can use just a simple Java space simple, but here I am using mypack.simple. Okay, and how to access a package from another package. Okay, so this is a one package. Okay, so if you want to access this package to another package, what are the different ways? Here we have a three different ways. One is by importing package.star, the second one is import package.class name and fully qualified name. We'll see one by one. So using package name dot star. So if you use a package name package.star, package name dot star, then all the classes and interfaces of this package will be accessible but not sub packages. It is a very important. Okay, so if you use, so not only this way of accessing, you can use any of these ways. We cannot access the sub packages. Okay, so package dot star, if you use this kind of accessing method, then we can access all classes and interfaces are available in the package. Okay, so the import keyword is used to make the classes and interfaces of another package accessible to the current package. Okay, so from here in this package we have a class simple. So to access this simple class into some other location, we can use the import keyword. Okay, how we have a class keyword, how we have a package keyword, we have import keyword. Okay, okay, so here go with an example. So this program you can save as a.java. So class name should match with the file name a.java. In this I am creating a one package space pack. Okay, so in that I have a public class A. So in that I have a method message. I am printing hello. Okay, so now I am trying to access this package data, that is class A and message method, into some other package. So how it is possible? So I am creating a new file b.java. In that I am creating one more package. This is a package pack with a one class one method, and here I am creating a new package. Like that we can create any number of package, no issue. Okay, so package mypack new in b.java I am creating a new package mypack. So now I want to access all these pack information into here. How it is possible? Import is a keyword space pack.star, import pack.star. Okay, so next class B. So public static void main method, compulsory method. So I am creating an object for A. How it is possible? I am in class B, I am not extending any class here, but I am trying to create an object for the A class. How it is possible? This is the way for possibility. Okay, so pack.star, star means everything. Okay, so in Debian also you know what is meant by star. Select star from a particular table. What it means? Star means everything. Okay, so we are trying to import from pack package, all we are trying to import. Okay, whatever classes interfaces available over there, all comes under here. That's why we are creating an object here, and by that object I am accessing the method, so it prints the hello. Okay, understand this? So one way to access the package data is package name dot star. Star means everything. The second way is using package name dot class name. Okay, so star means everything we can access. If in this package I have more than 2 classes, more than 3 classes, okay, but I want only a single class. Here I am presenting only one class. Okay, so but you sometimes a package may have more than one class, more than one interfaces, but I am restricted to access only one class. My need is only one class. So if I use a star, everything is accessible. Okay, it is a waste of memory. Okay, that's why I am using this technique, package name dot class name. Okay, so see the example. I'm opening a file, a.java source file. There I am creating a package space pack, and a public class A. I am creating one class in that package method. That is the thing. And I am creating a new file b.java. In that also I am creating a package space my pack. Okay, now I am importing only a class of pack. Okay, so the case here, if this package having more than one class, okay, so for space consumption management, I'm taking only one class here. Just assume this in this package we have more than one class. Okay, along with a b c d, we think like that. Okay, so I want only a class, not other classes. Then I can use a pack dot star. So pack dot a. So if you use a pack dot star, then everything in the pack in this package will come here. But if I use a pack dot specific name, either interface name or class name, that only can be accessible here. Okay, so the remaining is same. The third one is using fully qualified name. Okay, so in the previous two cases we are using the import keyword. So for importing all from the package we are using import keyword. Here to import a specific class we are using import. Okay, so instead of using import keyword, I can also access the data from the one package to another package. So if you use a fully qualified name, then only declared class of this package will be accessible. Now there is no need of import. So but you need to use a fully qualified name. Fully qualified name means package name, and so whatever you want, that class name. Okay, whatever the class you want, that class name. So but you need to use a fully qualified name every time when you are accessing the class or interface. It is generally used when two packages have the same class name. For example, java.util and java.sql packages contain the date class. Okay, so in this case these are predefined, but if that is the happen in the user defined, will go like this. So see the example. I'm opening a file a.java package pack public class A. Okay, in that one method and one message, and after that I am opening another file b.java, there package my pack. So I am not using import here. Okay, class B main method. So pack.a, I want a class from the pack. So that's why pack.a I am using here, not here. I am not importing. Okay, so pack.a obj new pack.a. So using fully qualified name. So along with the package we are using whatever the class we need to place, and in between we have to place the dot. Okay, so the message we can access. Okay, so these are the three different ways. One is import dot star, the second one is import dot specific class name or interface name, the third one is using fully qualified name. Okay, so some specific notes are there. If you import a package, sub packages will not be imported. Okay, if you use all the cases importing keyword for importing the package, sub packages, classes and interfaces will come, but sub packages will not be imported. If you want to import a package, all the classes and interfaces of that package will be imported, excluding the classes and interfaces of the sub packages. Okay, hence you need to import the sub packages also. Okay, so that is the thing. And generally the sequence of a program execution is like this. First a package we can create, and after that we can import that packages and into the classes. So subpackages in Java. Subpackages is nothing but package inside another package, and it should be created to categorize the packages further. Okay. So generally we know now. So package, subpackage means package within another package. Okay. So that is subpackages. So here some description is there. What is a package and subpackage means in general. So Sun Microsystems, who developed the Java language, defined a package named Java. In that many classes available, like a system, string, reader, writer, socket, many classes available. Okay. Uh, these classes represent a particular group. Reader writer class meant for input output operations. Socket and server socket classes for networking. So specific classes for specific purposes. Okay. So for that reason, so microsystems subcategorize the Java package into subpackages. So Java is now subdivided into language, net, IO, like that. Okay. Now input output related classes all present in the IO package. Server and server socket classes are present in the net package. Okay. So like that we can define. Okay. So here the standard way to define a package like this. Okay. So example. So like this you can so in the com package we have a Java T-point package. In that we have a core package. Okay. So like this we are specifying the program execution, compile and running. Okay. So how to send a one class file to the another. So in the early slide, if you don't want to send the class file to another directory, just keep dot. So if you want to send the class file, then you can go with the directory's name. Okay. So Java C space -d space, there you have to specify. So now we are at a E location. So we can go with the C colon dot classes means so we are in E. If you want to forward send this class file to into C classes, then you can use like this. Okay. So then instead of dot you can use the specific folder location. Okay. To run this we have to set the path. How you set the path in the C language. Okay. So set class path like this. So another way to run this is like this. So compilation running. So class path. Instead of -d, you can use a minus hyphen, not minus or hyphen, whatever you can call. So instead of d, you can use a class path switch. It is also nothing but forwarding the class file into the specific directory. Okay. So it will take time to understand the remaining slides. Okay. Okay. That's all for the class. Yes. I want this in desktop and stopping.